Good afternoon, welcome Jim on the weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 18th to February 1st. For January 18th to 22nd, we have a nearly zone of flow forecast across the nation. We have a trough off the west coast and above normal heights across the east central states. Below normal heights are forecast across Greenland with a trough over the northeast. So we go through the models and see more what I'm talking about. And during this forecast period, we'll have a system that'll be affecting the northeast, and this will happen over the weekend. Here's Thursday. Here's the first system coming through. Then we go to the next system. You have this strong high, 1045 high over eastern Canada. This is supply the cold air, and then this is the beginning of it Saturday. This is the European. This is the GFS. And then we go to Saturday morning. This is 7 a.m. 7 p.m. Sunday. European. Here's the GFS. And here's, notice with the 540 line here, so this will be snow up to the north of this. There might be mixed precipitation and then rain to the south. Then we go to Sunday, and then it's out of here. Okay, this system will bring a combination of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. In the warm sector, rain and thunderstorms are expected into Saturday from the lower Mississippi Valley, northeast into the east, where damming cold air retreats northward ahead of the low and a potentially messy transition. High pressure will build across the country behind this system and will cause quiet conditions. However, we'll have weak disturbances moving into the west, keeping the region unsettled. This is for the period January 23rd to 27th. And the flow doesn't change very much. Consisting of a trough over off the west coast. Above normal heights are forecast across the east central states. With a trough across the northeast, and we have above normal heights across the North Atlantic that starts to build. You can see it right here on the map. And during this time period, the AO and the NAO will be trending negative or near neutral during this time. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting numbers of 46 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast, and I'm forecasting numbers of 46 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and for this region, probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%, and then I have below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now looking to the head for the other forecast period, this is for January 28th to February 1st, and the GFS and the European ensembles means has positive height anomalies over Canada. And we'll take a look, you can see right here, and we'll take a look at other models. This is the above normal heights. This is from the European Center, and I'm going to put this into motion. And we'll have above normal heights and with below normal heights across the southern U.S. We go back to this map. You can see across the southern U.S. Now, during this time, the MJO has recently strengthened, and we talked about this a couple of weeks back, or maybe a week or so. And if it was to move into the Western Pacific, that would bring colder air into the east, and that's just what it's doing. And it has strengthened and in phase shifts east into the West Pacific, and this tends to favor below normal temperatures across the central and eastern U.S. states. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast for the essential states, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Column 4, below normal precipitation west of the divide, and I'm forecasting the probability of occurrence is 35%. Then we have above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 18th to February 1st. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.